Hi guys, I am making cocoa rice. I put water in this. It's not a big pot. This could be a large pot, I think. Yeah. For these sizes, I'll just lift it up. See, it's about that big. So, and this is about 16 cups of water. Depends on how thick you want it, the cocoa. So this whole ball of cocoa right here, you know, I just threw one in there with 2 cups of sugar. Measuring the sugar, I use the actual 2 cups, okay? So, and then what I usually do is I cook the cocoa first with the water and sugar, so I know how thick it is, if I need to add more water, and then I add the rice later. So, but hello YouTube again. I'm so sorry. I've been doing a lot more on Facebook, but yeah, cocoa rice is one of those recipes that you can make your own. And this is, to me, this is the simplest. I'm always finding ways to make my life, or make things I do simple ways, in a simple way. So I'm washing the rice, or rinsing it, whatever you call it. Yeah. So, yeah. I am. So this has been boiling for a while. Edison, I need coconut milk. Oh, wait. No, I don't. Oh, yeah, I do. No, I don't, Edison. Can you grab some coconut milk for me? Okay. So I am doing this. It has been boiling, and then I usually, okay, guys, I don't know if anybody checks how thick. I taste it, and then this is what I do to check if the cocoa is thick, and it's pretty thick. Let me see, that's gonna help. See, it looks thick. So now I'm gonna put in the rinsed rice, or the rice that I just washed. That was 2 cups, you know, measuring cups. If you're in the US. Ooh. I know. I was trying to do YouTube and Facebook. And so it's been really busy. Really busy for our family. There we go. So I'm going to let it boil or whatever. And hey guys, just in case I forget, which I shouldn't be, but I got special need children. Thank you for watching. Always thank you for watching our videos. I was trying to do it as a vlog. I thought I could do it with editing, but I can't seem to do that. Did you find it? My son, he wants cocoa rice. And that's why I'm making cocoa rice. So I usually try to stir the, you know, stuff on the bottom so it doesn't burn. It doesn't. I just want to be safe. So I'm gonna wait for the rice to cook. So, If you might want to make a bigger pot for your family, then you're probably gonna need more cocoa. I got these from my sister though. It's starting to boil. Okay. Okay. My son does like a lot of cocoa. I mean a lot of cocoa, a lot of rice. So that's why I had made 2 cups. But if you make it 2 cups and it's too thick, then just change the recipe. Like I said, this recipe, I mean making cocoa rice, it's all up to you on your preference. And then this is what I use for, if you watch some of my videos, this is the kind I like. I just like the smell of it. And no, I do not want to work for Polynesian Treasures. I've used this for years. I think it was my sister that introduced me to these. Yeah. It's so hard because this came from the basement and it's too thick right now. Still not cooked. Sometimes I use 3 cups of, for the same pot, 3 cups of rice. But this time we're just doing 2. To show you that there's just, you can change it the way you want. This kid loves cook salmon. So make sure that the rice is cooked before you pour in the coconut milk, which is the last thing I do.
Okay. When is the school open?
I don't know. I don't know, Sam. I don't work for the school.
You don't work here.
That's like that.
Oh, my parents, they hurt they hit the butchers. Yeah. You cut it out again. Back eyes. I don't see no back eyes ever that. Ah. Yeah.
La la, magsasasan, alay matay magli. It's almost cooked. Oh, my fire, I know you must have told.
That's it.
It's not so thick, but when it cools down, it will thicken. Probably not as thick as I want it, but it's okay. I gotta taste the rice to make sure that it's cooked. Not cooked. But it gets if the rice is like really cooked, it gets all mushy. So it's up to you what would you like when you're making this. Ooh.
Watch this.
your song is and download by seeing on you. Yeah. There we go. See, it's starting to cook, and then it thickens the rice, that is, for the cocoa rice. Taste it. I just want to make sure that's cooked because I can't. Do you? I don't like it when the coconut milk is overcooked. It's almost. And I'm also timing it how long it's taking me, and it's on medium heat though. If you're wondering. Yeah, I gotta go somewhere at 3. Okay. So this has been taking me about what? Almost 20 minutes to cook. I never time it.
Oh, that's my favorite song.
See? Still cooking it. Oh, it's Takayuki.
Is that Yuki? Where? Let me see. I'm so greedy I will be here. Where's Takayuki? When I was born. Yes,
Oh, this
me.
is after your surgery. Look. That was after your head surgery, son.
Yeah. Yeah. Boy, I want to know cookies before me. Hey, where's Takayuki? Where's Takayuki? Mother. I ain't seen Takayuki. Where is he?
He moved. Yeah, go.
Where's Takayuki? Mother. Hey, that's my cousins.
It's almost done. It's a sin.
What?
So it's a little bit, take a look. See how that is?
Japanese
Check that out.
Oh, so sorry.
So,
Ali.
like I said before, when the rice is cooked, it thickens the rice. Okay, so how you would heat this up if you need to add more water? How I use this, you know, if it's all cooked and you realize you want more water, more liquid, I would boil the water and then do it from there. Ooh, I'm using up the whole can because every time I try to save it, I forget it in the fridge. So, we like coconut milk, and so we're using coconut milk. So that took me about 25 minutes, almost 25 minutes to cook on medium heat. See, it's kind of, see? Just waiting it for a quick boil. I call it the quick boil. I don't know what you for calling it. preferred name for it. Oh, here we go. See, look, it's boiling. The rice is cooked, and look how beautiful that is. So now I'm going to turn it off. So you can leave it here, and it will continue to cook if you leave it on the stove. But if you're not, if not, you can move it off the stove, which I'm going to do right now. So, you know, we're talking about the stove, the one that's on, that was cooking on. Because it will continue to cook. So that's it, folks. And that is done.